Nothing Projector Motorized Sliding Tray Review. Perfect UST setup on autopilot and expertly inviting. You spent hours placing your ultra-short throw projector perfectly. Then someone nudged the stand. Suddenly the image is clipped, off-center, and you are back on your knees measuring throw distance with a tape measure like it is your full-time job. It is genuinely exhausting. Drop a comment if projector placement has ever quietly ruined what should have been a perfect movie night. Here is what makes it worse. Every tiny shift in distance destroys the immersive feeling entirely. That suffocating frustration of fussing over millimeters when all you want is to relax and watch something great. You try tape marks, deeper furniture, adjusting the image digitally. Nothing holds consistently. There has to be a calmer, smarter, and far more repeatable solution than constantly starting over. Then I discovered the Nothing Projector motorized sliding tray for ultra-short throw projector, and the entire experience shifted immediately. Do not just grab any projector stand or shelf. Make sure it has power sync automation so you never deal with manual repositioning and drifting throw distance again. This intelligent slider uses a brushless stepper motor to glide your UST projector silently into a pre-calibrated position every time your projector powers on. It retracts automatically when the projector turns off, keeping your space clean without touching a single thing. It supports up to 22 kilograms, fits every major UST brand, and extends your image up to a breathtaking 150 inches. A home theater installer nearly canceled a client reveal after the throw distance shifted during transport. He plugged in the Nothing Projector power sync cable, the tray slid into perfect position within seconds, and the image landed exactly right. Relief. Clarity, zero drama. You set the position once and it remembers forever. And there is one calibration step that makes everything noticeably sharper. Once the tray is calibrated, benefits start compounding immediately. You save meaningful time because setup becomes completely effortless. That mental space sharpens your focus on actually enjoying the experience rather than endlessly managing it. Over weeks, the consistency builds genuine confidence in your setup, and that confidence quietly transforms how often you use the room, how comfortably you host guests, and how proudly you share the space. A home theater specialist called it a game changer for UST setups that need clean, precise positioning without expensive custom cabinetry. A tech reviewer praised the brushless motor for being impressively silent throughout full extension. One product analyst benchmarked it at an expert score of 9.3 out of 10, placing it above 81% of comparable accessories. A verified buyer confirmed their 20-kilogram laser projector remained completely stable without any wobble during repeated extension cycles. Some people pause over the investment, and honestly, that pause is understandable. But compare this against the true cost of custom UST furniture, and the math resolves itself quickly and calmly. What matters most to you in a home theater experience? Drop your honest answer in the comments, because the responses genuinely influence what this channel covers next. Thousands of home theater enthusiasts and professional installers are already relying on the Nothing Projector motorized sliding tray for ultra-short throw projector as their quiet solution for cleaner, more consistent UST positioning. Results may vary depending on projector model and room layout. The transformation is straightforward. Calmer setup, sharper framing, and total positional consistency every single time you press power. If you are ready to stop measuring and start watching, the affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment. Come explore it today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.